সবাইকে BizTalk-এর আরেকটা নতুন এপিসোডে। আজকে BizTalk চলে এসেছে নতুন একটা এপিসোড নিয়ে কথা বলবো Khandaker Shahan Alam, who is the CEO of Golden Maritime Technology। কথা বলবো গোল্ডেন মেরিটাইম টেকনোলজি মেরিটাইমে কি কি ধরনের অবদান রাখছে। কেমন আছেন স্যার?
আলহামদুলিল্লাহ ভালো আছি। আপনাদেরকে আমাদের অফিসে ওয়েলকাম জানাচ্ছি এবং আপনাদের এই উদ্যোগকে আমি স্বাগত জানাচ্ছি।
প্রথমেই জানতে চাই যে সর্বপ্রথম যে মেরিন ইন্ডাস্ট্রি থেকে কর্পোরেট মেরিন ইন্ডাস্ট্রিতে নেভি থেকে আসার জার্নিটা কিরকম ছিল, বা কোন ট্রানজিশন পয়েন্টে এসে আসলে গোল্ডেন মেরিটাইম টেকনোলজির উদ্ভাবনটা হয়েছে?
Thank you. Basically, I was enrolled in Bangladesh Navy in 6 January 1984, and there I have gone through about 2.5 years training. On completion of military training, naval training, I came to BUET for my graduation in naval architecture and marine engineering. So there I have passed out in 1991 and went back to Navy again. While in BUET, I was encountered with many of the business community industrialists. At that time I had these opportunities to meet with them also. So that you can say a introduction with them. So after going back to Navy, I was posted in a frigate, big ship of Navy, and while serving there, I had a road traffic accident in end of 1992. So where my hand was broken, and by 6 months time it was not up to the mark, and that led to me that serving in Bangladesh Navy I may not do well, and I will be doing good in industry. So and as I was young that time, I took this challenge that I will start my career newly in industries. And after 6 months, when the hand was not cured, then I decided that I will go out and I will start my career. Though it was a big challenge for me, established job, I will be going for uncertainty, but still I took that challenge actually, and I came out finally. And that was the lead to private sector entry, and then I came back to private sector in 1993. I had a very good start with one of the industrialists, and from there I have also learned many things. And this Navy 10-year service also boosted up my career to hold higher positions. What my coursemate is starting a very initial position, but I was posted as a general manager, thereafter director, or sometimes I was the deputy managing director of different companies. Since 2010, I was holding all these positions, and then I thought that I have good connectivity with national and international companies. And instead of giving service to the other people, I can stand my own foot. And this has given me the boost up to start off my own. And I had a good relationship with one of the Singapore shipbuilding company, and he has also encouraged me to start. Informally, I have started in 2010, and after 4 ships when I constructed in Bangladesh, Navy shipyard Khulna and Naranganj. After that I set up my own office, own business in 2013. That is the initial journey.
চমৎকার। সো লিমিটেশনের জায়গা থেকেই একটা নতুন উদ্ভাবন শুরু হয়েছিল এবং সেখান থেকে নিজের কোম্পানি, খুবই চমৎকার একটা জার্নি। সো সেই কোম্পানিটা শুরু করে আপনি এখন বেশ কিছু ইম্পর্টেন্ট RAB এবং মেরিন নেভি সবার সাথে আপনি কিছু কাজ করছেন, কিন্তু এটা জাস্ট টেন্ডারের ব্যাপার না, এটা একটা ক্রেডিবিলিটি ব্যাপার আছে। এটা বিল্ড করার যে জায়গাটা, সেটা কিভাবে আসলে মেইনটেইন করতেন?
Surely, basically till now you can say that we are limited to defense and law enforcement authorities, and lately we are trying to expand our business to BRWTC, TA and other shipyards. In fact, still I am limited to maritime sector. So the initial things, the company name is Golden Maritime Technology. We are doing with technology only, all the machinery, engines, electronics, all these shipbuilding materials we are doing. where if you supply machinery, if you supply even technical things like our radio equipments, the communication equipment, all are related to services.
Absolutely.
So Golden Maritime, what only capital you can say that we have boosted our services, on-call services you can say. Whenever they are asking for the services, our people is going, we are giving services, and we are really successful here. Our credibility, our trust has been started from this point of that the Golden Maritime gives proper services. I can give you one example. Bangladesh Navy is our prime customer. So to increase naval support, and we have established our new office, we call Golden Maritime Service Center. Service Center, or you can say Badua Service Center, just in front of the naval base BNSC Sakhan Chittagong. So majority of the ships are in that area. For that reason, we have opened up office there. We have a service engineer there, and just on call, he is attending the ships. So this is the point where we have built up our reputations. Even in Mongla or Khulna, we have naval ships, and we have a support center there also.
Fantastic.
So you understand that how we are being a small company, but we are growing due to this support.
Service driven
Service driven.
Absolutely. So আমি আপনার কাছে আপনার মতামত, যেহেতু আপনি নেভিতে ছিলেন এবং আপনি এই ইন্ডাস্ট্রি নিয়ে কাজ করছেন, আপনার মতামতে শিপ ডিজাইন, ম্যাটেরিয়াল বা টেকনোলজির ক্ষেত্রে এখনো কোন কোন জায়গায় মেইন গ্যাপটা আছে?
Bangladesh is still now is not reaching the level of manufacturing. We have gone in many sectors, especially garment sector, your leather sector, your jute and jute goods sector. We have developed a lot. But defense industry, own manufacturing, it has boosted up in shipbuilding side. But for shipbuilding, it needs many equipments. Those equipment still we are not capable to build up. But I must appreciate that at least with joint collaboration, Khulna shipyard, Naranganj dockyard, all these naval shipyard, we started their shipbuilding since 2013. They have built a couple of ships, warships, with the help of China, and for our ships, which we have built about 10 auxiliary ships. With the support of Malaysia and Singapore, they have supported for their building. So the level of shipbuilding is good, but the materials is still we are lacking too much. Even you can say for the sake of comfort inside the ship, certain things are available in our country. But the shipbuilder still may not use those ships due to cost. Those material they are not using. So there are some material still we can use to make the ship beautification more beautiful, more comfort we can give. But regarding the other equipment, still we have to be import dependent. And this import dependency, it will take time to cover,
জি জি, about that import dependency নিয়ে যে আমাদের এখন আপনাদের কোম্পানি which is Golden Maritime Technology এই ডিপেন্ডেন্সি কমাতে কি কি এফর্ট দিচ্ছে বা কি কি প্ল্যানের দিকে এগিয়ে যাচ্ছে?
As one example I can give you, say we are supplying the engines and generators and say some other equipments where the installation, commissioning is one of the part, service part you can say. 90% of that job we are giving the support with our engineer. This support normally previously the manufacturer engineer used to come, they used to take a lot of money and then they do the commissioning. Now we are making it ready, we are value adding to them, and only they are coming and switching on the button and starting the engine. So we have reduced the cost, we have utilized our people to do so. At the same time, we did the value addition, you can say local value addition in service. And while doing so, some of the small materials which is available in our country, say piping materials, nut bolts, screw, hoses, all the small things which are available in our country, we are utilizing those. This way we are growing.
আমরা ছোট ছোট করে প্ল্যান করছি,
করছি।
একটু করে ডিপেন্ডেন্সি।
Exactly. So we are doing this one in respect of goods, in respect of services. We are adding.
ফ্যান্টাস্টিক। সো এই ইন্ডাস্ট্রিটা আগে খুবই হার্ডশিপ অ্যান্ড লেবার ইন্টেন্সিভ ছিল, এখন এটা অটোমেটেডের দিকে একটু করে যাচ্ছে। এখন গ্লোবাল রুট যেটা সেটা অটোমেটেড, ডিফেন্স মেকানিজম, ইনফ্যাক্ট পোর্ট ম্যানেজমেন্টও আমরা অটোমেশনের দিকে যাচ্ছি। সো গোল্ডেন ম্যারিটাইম টেকনোলজি এই ট্রেন্ডের সাথে কিভাবে এগোচ্ছে?
Thank you very much. You know, Bangladesh also used to use the word digital. Whether I use the word digital or not, still it is a dilemma. But all the technologically, you can say a revolution has gone to the industries, abroad industries, shipbuilding industries. Bangladesh also, they have gone for the automation like CNC cutting machines, then old machine they are replacing to the new machine to reduce the time and to increase the automation. Golden Maritime need to do a lot of things still now in this regard, that we need to go for the, we are working based on the software delivered by the manufacturer. But still we need to have our own software, we need to increase our your electronic system. All these things still we are lacking, but we feel that we need to fill up those very within short time with the development of the digital technologies of other industries.
Absolutely.
We need to grow in that line.
আমাদের শেখারও কিছু আছে, কিছু অ্যাডাপ্ট করারও আছে। তো এই ক্ষেত্রে আমরা বেশি কনসেন্ট্রেট করছি যেগুলা কমার্শিয়াল ভেসেল হচ্ছে এবং যেগুলা লাক্সারি ভেসেল হচ্ছে। যে ক্ষেত্রে আমাদের ইনল্যান্ড বা আমাদের যে লোকাল ভেসেলস আছে সেই ক্ষেত্রে আমরা টেকনোলজি থেকে বেশ একটু দূরে আছি, এখনো বেশ কিছু।
আমি especially I agree with you. Your idea is very correct on this market. You know, from 2006 to 2015, the private sector shipbuilding was also growing very fast. International market was created by this one or two shipbuilders. They also received some order from the abroad. And first phase or second phase, so far I remember, they delivered very nicely. And Bangladesh, you can say that time we started getting the order. But what happened, we don't know. After 2015, they received the order and they are not delivering. So I should not tell the name of any companies, but not only one shipyard, some other shipyard also, they have received foreign order, but they are not delivering all those other things. Without getting delivery of the ships, and a long time, say 2 years time given for delivery, 4-5 years going on, they did not deliver. Even some of the Bangladesh army ships order they have received, they did not deliver on time. Till date, even navy ships taken by the naval shipyards, they never deliver the ships in correct time. So this is due to the things you have telling. They have lack of automations, they have lack of project management capabilities.
Absolutely.
And they have the project management tools, especially the software they need to use. They should reduce the manpower, going for the more automations. Say for example, robotic cutting, laser cutting. Then the use of the robots in shipbuilding is very common nowadays. A very good store management system with modern software and machinery, handling machines. All these things has got the lacking, and the your owner's intuition, owner's what I should say, owner's wishes to deliver the project on time. None of the owners or none of the shipbuilders is delivering their products on time. This has created a big lacking or big bad name, you can say, for our country, that none of the shipyards deliver their products on time. So in this regard, we are also, as a supplier for the shipbuilding material, we are also in trouble. Say for example, 2 years ago we have signed a contract, but still we could not deliver the material because the subcontract are not yet signed, LC is not yet given.
এখানে আপনাদেরও একটা reputation is
Reputation is going down, one of the supplier, for example from USA, has given a price quotation 2 years ago. Still I did not give him LC for supplying the goods. How can he hold the price for 2 years, you can tell me?
Absolutely.
Each and every item with the shipyard, we are facing problem of pricing.
जी
1 year, 2 years going on, they are not giving the final work order. That is creating our bad names in the international markets.
जी
So you can say we are affected in that way also.
জি এই ক্ষেত্রে কি আসলে আমাদের গভর্নমেন্টে কোনো পলিসি কমপ্লায়েন্সের ক্ষেত্রে কি কোনো গ্যাপ বা কোনো এখানে সহযোগিতা দরকার আছে?
Shipbuilders always, you can see that they are blaming about these rules of the customs, the custom policy, import policy. They are always talking about. Last year in the BIMOX, I have seen they have a good presentation regarding how the shipyard should have government facilities in respect of financial, in respect of the customs. They clearly mark. But still I have doubt that if you see the bank loans, there's a lot of bank loan was issued to the shipyards, but they did not repay. They did not deliver the project, they could not repay the bank loan.
জি
Now they are blaming that our bank interest is too high.
জি
I also agree with that. By paying 14% bank interest, you cannot run an industry.
absurd. জি
Whereas and in India, in Singapore bank interest only 3 to 3.5%. International lending, the LIBOR rate is only 1.5 to 2% interest. Even the donors, which they are giving the loan to Bangladesh, very minimum margin. Then why Bangladesh government to charge industries this 14%, 15%?
জি
This is one of the impediment for the industries to grow also.
সেক্ষেত্রে এই গ্যাপটা আমাদের একটা মিনিমাইজ করার একটা বড়
This
দরকার আছে।
is one of the point. Second point, the custom peoples.
জি
Whatever your sanskar, whatever the discussion you are going on, they are not mentally changed. They remain like this. To bring a screw through a customs, you can try how much hassle they are doing.
জি
They should be mentally free for the industry, for the development of this country.
জি
In the name of your custom duty, they are harassing the people such a way. So that is the big impediment or second impediment for this country to grow, for the businessmen, for the industrialists, and for the industry.
absolutely.
These two places is vital for the growing of the country.
সো এই ব্যাপারটা এই ইন্ডাস্ট্রিতে আসলে সার্ভিস এবং ক্রেডিবিলিটির যে গুরুত্বটা সেটাই আপনারা আসলে বারবার সেটাকেই কনসার্ন করে এবং সেটাকেই ফোকাস করে আপনাদের টেকনোলজি নিয়ে আপনারা মেরিটাইম ইন্ডাস্ট্রির সাথে এগিয়ে যাচ্ছেন এই ব্যাপারটা খুবই চমৎকার। আমরাও আশা করব যে এই যাত্রাটা আপনাদের অনেক লম্বা হোক, অনেক শুভকর হোক এবং তার সাথে আমাদের বেস্ট উইশেস থাকবে। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ আমাদের ভিউয়ার্সের সাথে এত ইনসাইটফুল একটা ডিসকাশন শেয়ার করার জন্য। অ্যান্ড উইথ দ্যাট আমরা চলে এসেছি আমাদের এপিসোডের এন্ডিং। Thank you so much for being with us.
I also thank you very much for giving me this opportunity for these discussions and for this lively session. And especially, I am very happy to express myself also on my business sector. And I thank Sabor also for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you. দেখা হবে আরেকটা নতুন এপিসোডের সাথে থাকবেন।